Hey guys, welcome back to Tekneikos. So a lot of you people already know me. I make videos on web development, DevOps, SRE, and a lot of my tutorials, for example, this Kubernetes series that I am running currently is more than 1 hour long tutorials, and a lot of other tutorials that I have in my channel, for example, the JavaScript zero to heroes video is above 9 hours, so you can understand the value of audio quality in those videos, because nobody is going to watch for straight 9 hours if the audio quality is not good. Okay, so till now I was using a microphone from Maono, and it's AU-400. It costed me around 400. So in all my tutorials I have used this microphone, so I have finally decided to move and upgrade my microphone to this Kreo Kast. So today I am going to give you a complete review and my honest opinion on this microphone, because I have been using it for a couple of days now. And of course this video is not sponsored by Kreo. They are not going to sponsor a channel with 400 subscribers, but still I am going to explain you everything, all the pros and cons of this microphone, because it's a dynamic microphone. So the dynamic word is very important here. If you are not aware what are dynamic microphones, so I'm going to explain you everything in this tutorial. So let's start with the unboxing first, then we will talk about this. Okay, let's start with the box. The box looks really premium. It does not feel a cheap quality. And look at the every side, it looks really premium. Let me open it. The first thing that I can notice is a user manual with all the specifications mentioned about this microphone. Okay, when I touch this microphone I feel a very rigid metal body. It's not cheap, it looks really rough and tough. And this is the mute button and volume up and down. At the back we have couple of ports, one is XLR, one is USB Type-C, and volume up and down. We have one 3.5 mm jack to listen what we are speaking, so you can connect this 3.5 mm jack and listen live audio. In the pouch we have this connector which is Type-C to Type-C and USB, so you can use it in your phone or your laptop. Alongside we have a sticker, so let me open this. And okay, so the stand is really heavy. I was not expecting this heavy, it's really premium. Okay, this one is also looks premium. Let me connect everything and we will look into it, how it looks. So let me attach everything. Okay, this looks really premium, especially the blue color. I was not expecting this good, but it looks premium. It's giving you that podcast vibe. So let's conclude this video with my final thought on this product. I can honestly say this microphone is seriously very impressive. For the price tag and for the features that it is offering, it's really impressive. Since this is a dynamic cardioid microphone, it will record everything that I am speaking at this area. So if I go slightly to the left, I'm speaking, so you can able to understand. So what this offers, it offers you a clear noise cancellation. So the fan noise, the keyboard noises, and any other noise that your room has, it reduces a lot of them. It almost, in cases I have seen, that it has removed every noise. Okay, so it's really good in terms of noise cancellation. Also the audio sounds much more focused and professional compared to any other microphone, and you can easily get it for 4700, 4700, or During sales you can get it for around 4500 in Flipkart. So I will list down some more specifications, more technical specifications, so that you can get to know that, and also you can compare what is good for you. For me, it's really good. So for anyone who is going to make YouTube videos or streaming or gaming podcast, you can easily go for this one. But if your goal is to make vlogs, then I would suggest don't go for this one, because there are some limitations. You can find more better wireless microphone options, so go for that one. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Tekneikos.